Welcome to this technical guide on the HP Omen 15en001hs. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Some users have reported that certain keys on their HP Omen 15en001hs do not respond. This issue can occur due to dirt or debris getting trapped beneath the keys, or sometimes due to a faulty connection. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further keyboard problems and an overall frustrating user experience. To perform this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, tweezers, and a replacement keyboard. First, ensure that your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Begin by carefully removing the back panel of the laptop. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw securing the panel. Be sure to keep track of the screws, as they can be different sizes. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Now that you have access to the internals, locate the keyboard ribbon cable. This is usually found near the top of the laptop, connecting the keyboard to the motherboard. Gently unplug this cable using the tweezers, being very cautious not to pull on any surrounding wires. Next, you will need to remove the old keyboard. This typically requires unscrewing a few screws that hold it in place. As you do this, remember to apply a moderate amount of force. Over-tightening can strip the screws. With the screws removed, carefully lift the keyboard out of its compartment. Place the new keyboard in position and reconnect the ribbon cable, ensuring it is securely attached. Now, replace the screws that hold the keyboard in place and reattach the back panel, making sure all clips are secured. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Finally, power on your laptop to check if the keys are responding properly. If everything works as it should, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from happening again, make sure to clean your keyboard regularly and avoid eating or drinking near your laptop. If you notice any keys sticking, act quickly to clean underneath them before more serious damage occurs. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.